This is the first video today, July 26, 2017 for RMA 17-103 for Nidec-Industrial. What we're going to show you in this first video is the setup of how the unit is tested in the lab, and on the second video we're going to show you how the unit performs. There was a fault associated to it apparently during commissioning, and after talking to Justin Outland at Nidec, apparently the unit was tripping, was even blowing tripping breakers to the point that at some point it took off a shunt, and after replacing it with a different assembly, everything worked fine. Here what we're going to prove is that the unit is basically working fine, and let's go through this connection diagram. First of all, we have it all connected per connection diagram E2150. We have a transformer that will give us here 480 center tap, so we'll have approximately between line to center tap 210 volts, 208 volts, right, Tony? There's the couple of SCRs back to back, so we're going to show how this polarity will transition. This is rated for a 30 amp continuance. We have 15 amps, so we'll show we have half of the current feedback. Here's the unit. We also show the field level and how we're going to trip a field level. And again, everything is connected as such. We have our resistive load, and we're going to be monitoring here what we call a SIG height, which is really the current command from 0 to 10. We'll take a look at the DC output both on a meter and also here on the oscilloscope. We'll be looking at a couple of test procedures on the board: the phase reference, the reference at 60 Hertz, and the delay angle, which would be a duty cycle that will vary as the current command follows. We'll look at the current feedback, and we'll use this meter just to sense whether we have a field loss or not, depending on the trip. Alright, so the unit is ready. We have 240 going in, 240 into this transformer, stepping it up to 480 center tap to get to 230 approximately, and the unit is powered, and we have a red LED just waiting to be tripped. This is the end of the first video. On the second video we're gonna